Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another CVS Get Ready With Me video. And these are for the deals February 23rd to February 29th. So we are getting some really good inserts this week. So I suggest you guys get a couple of papers because we do have our March P&G and it's really good this week. And we also have RMN coupons, so our Unilever coupons and things like that. And our Smart Source has some really good coupons. So make sure you grab a couple of papers this week. Now at CVS, we have two different promotions for spend 20, get 5. So make sure you look at the number on the bottom of the deals to see what's included in each deal. So it's the long number on the bottom that will let you know what's part of what deal. So the first spend 20, get $5 in extra bucks. You're going to pick up 3 of the Pantene. They're on sale this week, 3 for $12. You're going to pick up 2 of the Crest toothpaste on sale for $2.99 each, making them $5.98. You're going to pick up 2 of the Kleenex wipes on sale, 2 for $3. So the total before coupons is going to be $20.98. You're going to use a 5 off of 3 Pantene coupon from our March P&G. We have a $2 off 1 Crest from our March P&G, so make sure you use 2 of those. And you're going to use 2 of the 50-cent off 1 coupons for the Kleenex wipes in our 223 Smart Source. I have a 3 off of 12 hair care CRT. And we are receiving a 1 off of 2 Kleenex Instant coupon. So make sure you scan your card at the Redbox Coupon Center and you have until the 29th to print that out. So the total works out to $6.98, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $1.98 for all of them, or 28 cents each, which is a great stock up price for all those items. Now here are the coupons that we're going to use. There goes the 2 50-cent off 1 coupons for the Kleenex right there. Then we have the 5 off of 3 for the Pantene. And we have 2 $2 off 1 coupons for the Crest. There goes that 3 off of 12 shampoo, conditioner, hair care, CRT. And then we're going to use that $1 off 2 instant coupon that's printing out for all of us. Now the other spend 20, get $5 in extra bucks. You're going to pick up 3 of the Scott paper towels. They will be on sale for $5.49 each, making them $16.47. And you're going to pick up 2 of the Palmolive 20 ounce on sale for $1.99 each, making them $3.98. So the total before coupons is going to be $20.45. You can use 3 of the 50-cent off 1 coupons from scottbrand.com. Also, in our CVS app digital coupons, there is a 50-cent off 1 if you did not use it last week. Also, you're going to use 2 of the 50-cent off 1 Palmolive coupons from our 223 Smart Source. I have a 2 off of 8 paper towel CRT, as well as a 1 off of 2 Palmolive CRT. So the total works out to $14.95, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $9.95 for all 5 products, or $1.99 each, which is a super great stock up price for the Scott paper towels. Now here goes the coupons for those. There goes the 50-cent off 1 coupon for the Palmolive. And then there goes the 1 off of 2 CRT for the Palmolive there. I have 2 printable coupons for the 50-cent off 1 for the Scott paper towels. And then I have the 2 off of 8 toilet paper CRT, and it excludes the Scott 1000 roll. In my last video that I did pick up the Scott 1000 roll, and I used the 2 off of 8, and it went through. I did not deliberately misuse a coupon. It was a mistake. So I also have a 50-cent off in the digital app coupons. So the next deal is going to be on the Tresemme Premium. They're buy 2, get a $2 extra buck, and they're on sale this week, 2 for $10. So you're going to use the 4 off of 2 coupon from our 223 RMN, and I have a 225 off 10 hair care CRT. So the total works out to $3.75, but you're going to get back a $2 extra buck. So it works out to $1.75 for both of them, or 87 cents each. And here goes the 2 coupons right there. So the next deal is going to be on the CoverGirl Twin Brow Pencils. So they're on a promotion this week for spend 12, get a $5 extra buck, and that's all CoverGirl Cosmetics. So you're going to pick up 3 of them for $5.99 each, making them $17.97. You're going to use 3 of the $3 off 1 coupons from our 223 Smart Source. And I have a 3 off of 15 CoverGirl CRT. So the total works out to $5.97, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to 97 cents for all of them, or 32 cents each. And here goes the coupons right here. So there goes 3 of the $3 off 1 coupons. And here goes the 3 off of 15 CoverGirl CRT. So the next deal is going to be on the Axe shower gel as well as the Vaseline lotion. They're going to be on a promotion for spend 15, get a $5 extra buck. Also included in this deal is going to be the Dove Women's Body Wash and a couple of other items. But I know the Dove Body Wash for men is not included in this, but the Dove shampoo and conditioner for men is included in this deal. So spend 15, get 5. You're going to buy 2 of the Axe shower gel for $5.99 each, making them $11.98. And you're going to buy 1 of the Vaseline lotions, 10 ounce, for $4.79. So the total before coupons is going to be $16.77. You're going to use the $2 off 1 Vaseline coupon from our 223 RMN. I have a 3 off of 2 Axe shower gel CRT, as well as a 2 off of 6 body wash CRT. So the total works out to $9.77, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $4.77 for all 3 products, or $1.59 each. So here goes the $2 off 1 coupon for the Vaseline, the 3 off of 2 Axe shower gel CRT, and the 2 off of 6 body wash CRT. So if you have those CRTs, that will call for a really good deal. Now, if you wanted to pick up the Dove Women's Body Wash, we do have coupons in our 223 RMN. So we have $1.25 for the Dove regular body wash, and then we have a $2 off for the Dove foaming body wash. So if you wanted to pick those 2 up, you definitely could. And if you have a 2 off of 6 body wash CRT, as well as a 2 off of 8 body wash CRT, all you have to spend is $14 on body wash, and those 2 will apply to the purchase. So if you have those 2 and you want to pick up the Dove, definitely pick up the Dove because it is a really good deal. Now, the next deal is going to be on the Joa Cosmetics. So they're on a promotion this week for spend 10, get a $5 extra buck. So you're going to pick up the La Bam Balm. You're going to pick up 2 of them for $4.99 each, making them $9.98. You're going to use a 3 off of 10 Joa CRT, making the total $6.98, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $1.98 for both of them, or 99 cents each. So that is a really, really good deal for the Joa Cosmetics. And there goes that 3 off of 10 CRT. Now the next deal, and I totally skipped this deal, is going to be on the Tresemme 28 ounce. So the premium and the 28 ounce are different promotions. So if you look at the event code on the bottom, they're totally different. So Tresemme 28 ounce is buy 2, get $2 in extra bucks as well. But they're on sale 2 for $8. So you're going to use a 4 off of 2 coupon from our 223 RMN. And I received a $2.50 off 8 Tresemme CRT. So the total works out to $1.50, but you're going to get back a $2 extra buck. So it works out to be free plus a 50-cent moneymaker. And here goes the CRT for that. $2.50 off 8 Tresemme shampoo. And there goes the 4 off of 2 coupon from our 223 RMN. Now the last deal is going to be on the Crest mouthwash. So Crest 3D White mouthwash, 16 ounce, is buy 1, get a $2 extra buck. And you can do this deal up to 2 times. Now, before I discuss this deal, the $3 off teeth whitening CRT, sometimes it works at the register, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes cashiers will override that coupon, sometimes cashiers won't. So if you know your store and their store to not override anything, then I suggest you don't do the deal. Now, if your store overrides this all the time, and let's say you have it all the time and they see that you have it all the time and they override the coupon, then definitely do this deal. So they're on sale for $4.99. You're going to pick up 2 of them for $9.98. You're going to use 2 of the $1 off 1 coupons for Crest in our March P&G. You're going to use 2 of the $3 off teeth whitening CRTs if your store allows those CRTs to go through. You're going to use a 2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT, making the total $0, but you're going to get back $4 in extra bucks for doing the deal twice. So this works out to be free plus a $4 moneymaker. So here goes the $2 off coupons from our March P&G. And here goes the CRT. So I have a $3 off teeth whitening CRT, another $3 off teeth whitening CRT, and a 2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT. So if you have all those CRTs and your store overrides that 3 off of teeth whitening, or sometimes it does work, which is so weird, then definitely do this deal. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Tomorrow I will be doing the in-store clips as well as my haul video, so make sure you check out that video. I'm not going to do it super early because I do have a birthday party to go to with the girls, so it'll be on a little later tomorrow, but it definitely will be up. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.